So, hello and welcome to this video. My name is Praveen and today I'm gonna discuss about the project name as Placement Cell, which is based on Node.js. And here we're gonna describe the folder structure and its code logic inside the folders. Okay, this project. So first we're gonna describe the first file name as package.json, which basically shows us what are the packages and libraries are used in this. So that's all. Now we are gonna describe all the folders and inside the files and code structure. Okay, folder structure first. So here is a file folder name as a configure. Inside this I created the three files name as database.js and middleware.js and passport local stack. This file is responsible for authentication the users and creating serializing the users and set the authenticated user. Okay, I commented also following things, your code structure of code logic. And now the second file is a middleware, which is middleware.js, which is basically I created as a flashcard for showing me the message responsible for success or no error. Okay, now here the database.js, which is basically responsible for connecting Mongoose to database. Okay, so now the next folder is the main folder for all operations and logic name inside it. Okay, so let me gonna describe it later. So the second folder is CSS for making this project more interactive. Okay, so here is a file. Inside the file login page.css and login page 1 css and style.css and user signup.css I created. So now in models, the fourth folder models, which is basically creating a model or database schema. So I created an interview database schema for it and student.js and users.js. Here is a inside the file. Okay, interview and student.js and user.js. Okay, so now the public inside the public folder I created a file app.js. Let me describe this also later or also later. Okay, now the sixth folder is routes. So inside the routes, when the following URLs hit, then basically the controller goes to the create just like when the URL is /create, then the following controls goes to the create function I created in student controller. Okay, so let me go to the inside the controller folders. Okay, so I'll show it. Let me first run this project. Okay, so the next folder is uploads, and here is student report.css file, which is basically a task given by coding ninjas in their PDF. Okay, so inside the view folders, here we created a .ajs file, which basically HTML is like view engines for. Okay, so inside it sign in users register.details, admin EJS and add students. The following files are created. So let me just run this project, then I'll show the main logic inside the controllers folders. Okay, so now let's just run it. Okay, so npm start.
ये ऊपर नीचे है क्या?
क्या चीज?
पेज है सीजन, ये 101 है।
अरे उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो उससे भी लगा दे ना।
ना उससे कोई दिया हुआ भी है।
हाँ।
Okay, so I already tested it. Okay, so local domain 8000. So here we see first sign in page. Okay, so here the URL is basically a /URL. So here we see a sign in page, and when I click to sign up page, then it goes to sign up, creating the user, and just as I said, here is a app.js file in the public folder. So here I can added a event listener to it. Okay, when I click to sorry, when I click on sign in button, then it goes to the sign in page. Okay, when I click the sign in page, then it goes to sign up pages. Okay, so let me just create a user for it. Okay, so now I created a Suraj user, and here is the ID name as suraj@gmail.com. Okay, password is one. Sign up. There again we saw a flashcard by creating account created. Okay, so let me just sign up as a user. So here we gonna see it. So here we first gonna see home pages. That's the first page. So inside home we basically see a student list and scheduled interviews. So I already created a following students by making. Okay, so now let me just show it. So here we describe the first file, students controllers. Okay, so inside this the following URLs I also commented the by line each code explaining. Okay, so here the first functionality as name is add students, and let me just do this. So when I click to manage students, then it's basically add students URL LVC. Okay, so I can create it another student to the system, to the student cell. Okay, so now I created s @gmail.com.
मतलब 50 into
College name is JNU,
6
batch name is December, and here we assign the score of it. So when I click to add students, it's basically added. So student edits. So by using the edit student we can edit the students and create this. I already commented this function creates a new student record in the database with data received from the request body. Okay, so find one and so delete a student deletion. So here we are gonna see it students controllers. So I already commented it. Okay, so here is the update the students details. Okay, so when I click when I go to the home button, so here I created already students. When I click to edit students, I can edit it anything. So I just score it to 12, like it's TSS score. So another flashcard not appear. Okay, so now the update details becomes DSS score is 12. Okay, so here is the interview schedules. I can create another assign a student to it. Okay, so pass it. So just click it and Suraj flashcard appeared. So here is the interview and the result is pass. Date, time, this one. Okay, date basically. So now when I click to manage interview, another form appears, which basically adding the another company. So Tata, date, month 30. Okay, so
हेलो एक बात बताओ,
now in home page
इसमें देखो आपका टाइम ऑफ होते जा रहा है.
we basically saw another company scheduled interviews sections. Name as company name Tata, and here I do not assign the any students. So In controller folders, let's just describe say interviews controllers. Okay, so I commented each line of the code inside the, so here I created a add interview. This basically added the interviews and enroll interview to assign a student to an interview. Okay, and delocate. So delocate this one just like so I already assign a student interview. Okay, so if I want to delete it, then so here is XYZ company, which is basically for Suraj. Okay, I assign it, and the company scheduled interview. So if I delete this interview, then
Hello?
the following flash message is shown, said that
जी भैया बताइए।
successfully delocated from XYZ company interview.
हाँ हाँ आ
So
जाइए।
now
फाइव वेल्डर मंगल बजाओ।
Suraj is has not any company results and interview schedules.
हाँ
Okay,
ready है।
so let me just go with another. So delocating for this for this,
ये दूसरा
and
नाम लिखा होगा।
here is a dashboard for entering the populating all students with interviews and populating all interviews with the students. Okay, then the CSV controllers, we basically this task is assigned by Coding Ninjas to in our projects, so I can download it from it. Okay, so when I click it, so the student report CSV file is downloaded. Okay, so and so that's all the functionalities in this project. So I discuss users controller also. So here we can renders the user profile pages. I commented all the code logics. Okay,
डिलीट का
so that's all. Here is a create session, destroy session for users. Okay, sign in and sign up functionalities. Okay, pages. So thank you so much for watching this video.